Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. We have a very special one today because finally you're going to get to see how I customize this Nintendo 64. And once again, I bet it's even easier than you think. Let's check it out. Looking at our donor console, we can see that the cartridge slot doors are broken and the reset button is frozen with soda. It's in a little bit of rough shape, but we're going to clean it up and get it ready for painting. The disassembling process I show here is not really meant to be a guide. I personally like to see the inner machinations of these devices, and it is necessary to remove the internal components if we're going to paint the case. As you can see, something which I believe was soda was spilled into the console and allowed to dry. Also, there are a bunch of little red flakes everywhere which I think are pop rocks. So this poor console was severely mistreated, and I'm going to make my best effort to clean it up and give it its best shot at working in the future. I'll start the cleaning process for all non-electronic parts with a bath of warm soapy water and a rinse. Then I'll move on to cleaning the PCB with some rubbing alcohol. You can really begin to see how necessary it was to clean this console, especially the lower part of the case where all the soda settled. Absolutely disgusting. Quite a bit of work went into cleaning the PCB, and there were even rocks or something stuck in the cartridge reader. But I give it my best effort, and once the case was dry, it was ready to tape. I chose to tape the area where the case fits together so that after painting it'll still have that factory fit. We'll start with a solid base coat. The most important thing to remember is to keep it light. It's very easy to apply too much paint, and if you do, you'll get drips.
that's Zelda side, then I kind of want to do Mario side. But that's going to be like blue and green. That's so cool.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I say.
It's me, Mario!
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
for joining us again on this customizing experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing because we're going to do many more videos just like this one. Thanks a lot.